Hello and good afternoon, dear students. Welcome back to the online class, and in today's class we are starting with exercise 22B, question number 7. All right, the question says, let's read the question first. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower is observed to be 60 degree. The angle of elevation, if I assume this AB is my tower, okay, then the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from this point is observed to be 60 degrees. So therefore this angle, if I draw, boys, if I draw this angle, then it will be 60 degree. Okay, this observation is how much? 60 degree. Let's keep it as point C. So from point C, if I'm observing the top of the tower, the angle of elevation is observed to be 60 degree. Further, the question says, at a point 30 meter vertically above the first observation, the angle of elevation is found to be 45 degree. Okay, now, okay, at a point 30 meter above the first observation, so this is my first observation. From here I'm observing the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Now if I go 30 meter vertically upwards, if I go 30 meter vertically upwards, then from somewhere out here, if I go 30 meter vertically upwards, if I go 30 meter vertically upwards, then from this point, if I see the top of the tower, now it is 45 degree. Okay, so therefore let's keep this point as D. Now from D, if I see the top of the tower, the angle is 45 degree. So which means I have to draw an imaginary horizontal line like this. Now from here, if I see the top of the tower, now the angle of elevation is how much? 45 degree. Okay, so this angle. So this angle now is how much, boys? This angle is 45 degree. So therefore here we are getting two right angle triangles. One is ABC and other one is A. Let's give it as E, and let's give this as D, AED. Okay, the question is asking us, find the height of the tower. We need to find the height of this tower. Let's say the height of the tower be H. Okay, we need to find this tower. What is the height of this tower? Okay, now look at this figure properly. If this distance, 30 meter vertically upwards 30, if CD is 30, then no doubt, and this is also 30. And we know BC and DE will be equal. BC is equals to DE. We will see this later. Okay, now using these two right angle triangles, let us find it out. So till here, please pause the video. Alright boys, I hope you are clear with the figure. Now let's continue. So according to assumption, let the height of the tower be H. So let the height of the tower AB be H. Therefore I'm getting two right angle triangles. One is ABC. So in this right angle triangle ABC, we know tan 60 degrees turn permanently black. So therefore tan 60 degree is AB by BC. Now we know AB is H. Tan 60 degrees root 3. So root over 3 equals to H by BC. And from here I'll get BC is equals to what? H by root 3. BC equals to H by root 3. So this is from the bigger right angle triangle ABC. Now similarly from AED. So in this triangle AED, I know tan 45 degree equals to turn permanently black. So therefore AE by DE, 45 is 1. So DE equals to AE. Now what I know from here, boys, what I know, DE is equals to, now AE means, now see, the whole AB is how much? From here to here we have assumed it as H, and also from here to here it is 30. So therefore AE is H minus 30, isn't it? Oh sorry, yes, H minus 30. AE is how much? H minus 30, and this is 30. If we add this two, you'll get H. So therefore AE is how much? H minus 30. Okay, now we also know DE is equals to BC. I know BC is equals to DE. This and this are equal. So therefore DE, in place of DE, I can write BC. So BC equals to H minus 30. Now what I know from here, what is BC? BC is H by root over 3, which is equals to H minus 30. So now what we'll do is we'll simplify. So therefore we will be getting H is equals to root 3H minus 30 into root 3. So let's keep HH together, bring this side. 30 into root 3 is equals to root 3H minus H. Please take H common. So therefore if we take h common, I'll be getting root 3 minus 1. Let us simplify it, boys. Please pause, note down till here. Alright boys, so from here what will I get is h is equal to 30 root 3 divided by root 3 minus 1, which is this. Let's rationalize it, the denominator, so multiplying and dividing by this. So therefore h is equals to 30 root 3 into root 3 plus 1 divided by which formula? A square minus b square. So hence this is root 3 square minus 1 square. So therefore h is equals to 30 into multiply root 3 into root 3 is 3 plus root 3 into 1 is root 3 divided by square root gone. So hence this is 3 minus 1, that is 2. So 2 1s are 2 15s are. So hence h is equals to 15 into 3 plus 1.732, which is the value for root 3. So therefore h is equals to 15 into 4.732, and when you multiply these two, you will be getting 70.8 meter, which is the height of the tower. So please pause the video and note it down till here. Height of the tower is 70 point. Alright boys, so therefore the height of the tower AB, according to assumption the height of the tower was AB, so AB is h, so h equals to 70.8. so height of the tower is how much? 70.8. that is question answer number 1. The second part of the question is asking us what is the horizontal distance from the point of observation. So tower is out here, this is the first point of observation. So what is the horizontal distance from the point of observation? Means BC. You're asked to find what? BC is what we need to find. Am I clear? We need to find BC. BC is what we need to find. So how will you find BC? Let us see. Alright boys, so we need to find BC. So I know now BC is equals to DE. This is what we know. And DE, if you see, DE was h minus 30. DE is h minus 30 because tan 45. This is h minus 30, so this is also h minus 30. What is my h? 70.8 minus 30, which will give you 40.8 meters. So hence the horizontal distance is 40.8. So please pause the video, boys, and note it down. Alright boys, let's proceed with the next question. That is question number 8. Question number 8. Your question says, please read the question. Okay, the question says, from the top of the cliff 60 meter high. Okay, from the top of the cliff 60 meter high. So the cliff is 60 meter. The height of the cliff is 60 meter. So from the top means right from A, from the top from the top of a cliff 60 meter high, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of the tower is observed to be 30 and 60 degree. Okay, so from this, from the top of the cliff, we are observing the angle of depression. The angle of depression of the top of the tower is 30 degree. The angle of depression of the bottom of the tower is 60 degree. So angle of depression given to us. So if depression is given to us, then we have to draw an imaginary horizontal line. We know that. So now let's make the figure, boys. Let us make the figure. Okay, so therefore if I make the figure, the angle of depression from the top, okay, the angle of depression from the top will be something like this. This is top and this is your bottom. Okay, the angle of depression from the top is how much? It is 30 degrees, so therefore this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree, boys. So therefore I have to draw a parallel line out here. Let's draw it straight. Okay, so therefore this angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree because they are parallel to each other. Okay, boys. All right, now this is the question, and the question is asking us to find the height of the tower. So once again I explain, there is a cliff which is 60 meter. This is your cliff 60 meter, which has height 60 meter. AB is 60 meter. There's a tower CD. Let's give the height of the tower be h. Now from here we are observing the angle of depression is 30 degree and the angle of depression is 60 degree. 30 degree at the top, 60 degree as the bottom. We need to find the height h. So again, here also we have two right angle triangles, boys. Let us give this as A, B, C, D and E. Right angle, right angle. So two right angle triangles, one is this and the other one is this. So if this is h, then no doubt this is also h, and this are equal, boys. Okay, so now please pause the video and note down till here. All right, boys, so please start with the assumption. Let us assume that the height of the tower be h. Let's start with the assumption. So let us assume that the height of the tower be h, and then the height of the tower be h. Okay, now tan 60 degree, we know tan 60 turn permanently black, so therefore I'll be getting tan 60 as AB by BC. That is AB by BC. We know tan 60 degree is root over 3, so root 3 equals to AB by BC. Now what is AB? AB is 60, so therefore root over 3 is equals to 60 by BC. That will give me BC is equals to 60 by under root of 3. So this is the value for BC. Now similarly, tan 30 degree turn permanently black, turn permanently black. So therefore tan 30 degree is AE, permanently black ED. So tan 30 degree is 1 by root over 3, which is AE by ED. So therefore from here I can find ED. ED is equals to AE into root over 3. I hope you're clear with this. Now similarly, boys, as I know this is h and AB is how much? 60. So therefore this has to be 60 minus h. So therefore ED, keep it as ED, and root 3 AE means 60 minus h. So 60 minus h. Now what I know, ED and BC are equal. So I can replace ED by BC. I know ED and BC are equal. So this and this are equal. So ED is equals to BC, which is equals to root 3 into 60 minus h. Now what is the value for BC? BC is 60 divided by root over 3, which is equals to root 3 into 60 minus h. So let us multiply. Cross multiplication will give us 60 is equals to root 3 into root 3 is 3 into 60 minus h, multiply. So 60 equals to 180 minus 3h. So therefore 3h is equals to 180 minus 60, which means 3h equals to 120. So therefore h is equals to 120 by 3, which will give you h equals to 40. So hence the height of the tower is how much? The height of the tower, which is CD out here, is 40 meter. Okay, CD is 40 meter. I hope you are clear with the calculation, boys. Please note it down properly. All right, boys, let's proceed with the next one, that is question number 9. Now question number 9, let's read the question. Okay, let's read the question, boys. The question says, a man on a cliff. So this is your cliff. A man on a cliff means exactly at the top. A man on a cliff observes a boat at an angle of depression 30 degree, which is sailing towards the shore to the point immediately beneath him. So which means a man is out here. A man is out here at the top, and he is observing that there is one boat out here at point C, which is sailing towards the shore, so which is coming this side. Okay, he observed that the angle of depression is how much? Angle of depression is 30 degree. Okay, so angle of depression means I have to draw a imaginary horizontal line like this. Whenever there is an angle of depression, please do in this way, boys. So let's draw a horizontal line like this, and then from here, this is your imaginary horizontal line, and then from here you have to draw the angle of depression. Clear, boys? So this angle of depression is given to us. This angle, first of all, it is 30 degree. Now since this and this are parallel to each other, so if this is 30, then this is also how much? 30 degree. So this is 30 degree. Okay, now so therefore boat is out here. Your boat is out here, and this boat is sailing towards the ship. Am I clear? This boat is coming this side. This boat is coming this side, and the man is out here and he's observing the angle of depression of this boat is how much? 30 degree. This boat is coming this side. At some point this boat will be somewhere out here. Let's read the question further. The question says 3 minutes later the angle of depression of the boat is found to be 60. So 3 minutes later, so which means from here to here it took 3 minutes. So 3 minutes later now the angle of depression is how much? 60 degrees. So if you draw the angle of depression, then this angle now is observed to be 60 degree. Okay boys, I hope I'm clear with this. Now this angle is 60 degree. So which means if this angle is 60, then this angle is 60 degree. Okay boys, I hope you're clear with the question. A man is on the cliff. He observed that a boat is sailing towards the shore. Okay, he observed that the angle of elevation is, depression is 30 degree. After 3 minutes, the angle of depression has been changed from 30 to 60 degree, and this is my 90. The question says, assuming that the boat is sailing at a uniform speed, assuming that the boat is coming at a uniform speed, okay, the boat is here, now the boat is somewhere out here at point D, okay, uniform speed, determine how much more time will it take to reach the shore. How much time will it take to reach from D to B is the first question, and find the speed of the boat in meter per second if the height of the cliff is 500 meter. If the height of the cliff is 500 meter, find the speed of the boat. So how much time will it take, and find the speed of the boat is what we need to find out here in question number 9. All right boys, so we know that speed equals to, we know the formula, speed is equals to distance divided by time. So this formula we need to use out here. Okay, right, how many right angle triangles? Again, 2 right angle triangles we have. One is ABD and other one is ABC. Let's do it first, right boys? So please pause the video and note down till here. All right boys, so now once again I'm explaining. Boat is out here, is sailing towards the shore. Okay, here the angle of depression is 30 degree, and after 3 minutes the angle of depression is changed to 60 degree. So the height of the cliff is 500. Now we have got 2 right angle triangles boys. One is ABD, other one is ABC. So we know which formula to use, obviously tan 60. So tan 60 is turn permanently black. So turn 500 by tan 30 I used before, so 60 is out here, sorry. So tan 30 is turn permanently black. So BC, turn 500 by BC. So tan 30 degree is 500 by BC. Tan 30 degree is 500 by BC. Now tan 30 means 1 by root 3, which is equals to 500 by BC. From here please calculate BC. BC equals to how much? 500 into root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. You'll be getting a number in decimal. Remember that. Just exclude that decimal. You'll be getting BC equals to 865 meter. Please calculate. You should be getting BC equals to 865. So what is the distance from here to here? Why am I finding distance? Because I'm asked to find the time and speed. That's why I need this one, distance. Okay, so distance between BC is how much? 865 meter. Clear? So similarly, you used tan 30. Now you use tan 60. So tan 60 is also turn permanently black. So tan 60 is 500 by BD. So tan 60 is root 3, 500 by BD. So BD equals to 500 by 1.732. And if you'll do it, you'll get 289 meter. All right boys, so from here to here it is 289. From here to here it is 865. So therefore from here to here I can find, so therefore I can easily find DC or CD. You can write down CD or DC. I'll write CD. CD is equals to BC minus BD, and BC is 865, BD is 289, and if you subtract it you will be getting 576, I guess. Yes, 576 meter CD. So from here to here is how much? 576. From here to here is how much? 576. And from here to here it takes 3 minutes. From here to here it takes how much? 3 minutes. So therefore I can find the speed of the boat. Okay, so let's write down. to cover CD, it takes 3 minutes, which means 180 seconds. Now to cover CD means to cover this much distance, 576 meter. To cover 576 meters, it takes 180 seconds. Then therefore, can I find the speed of the boat? Obviously, we know speed equals to distance divided by time, and therefore speed is equals to, how much is the distance? 576 meter divided by time taken is 180, and this is meter per second. And boys, if you divided 576 by 180, then you'll be getting 3.2. So 3.2 meter per second is the speed of the boat, which is actually answer number 2. And now we'll be coming to answer number 1. The question says, how much time will it take to reach the shore? How much time will it take to come from D to B is what we need to find now. Okay, so please pause the video and note down till here. All right, boys, let's proceed. The question further says now, how much time will it take to reach from D to B, to reach the shore? From here to here, it takes 3 minutes. So how much more time does it take the boat to reach from D to B is the question asking us. Now what we know is the distance between B and D is 289. Distance between this is 289. This is the distance. Speed is 3.2. So we know speed equals to distance by time. Speed equals to 3.2. Distance equals to 289 by time. So you cross multiply, you'll get time equals to 289 by 3.2, which will give you 90.3 seconds. And 90.3 seconds means 1.5 minutes. So it will take 1.5 minutes more to reach the shore, I hope you're clear with this, boys. So please pause the video and note it down. All right, boys, let's move on to the next question, or the last question of the class. That is question number 10. In question number 10, it is similar to question number 9. The question says, a man in a boat rowing away from the lighthouse 150 meter high. So therefore, this is the lighthouse. This is the lighthouse, boys, which is 150 meter high. AB is the lighthouse. A man in a boat rowing away from a lighthouse 150 meter height takes 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation of the top of the lighthouse from 60 degree to 45 degrees. So the man was out here. Okay, the man was out here. The angle of elevation was 60 degree, and now it took him 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation from 60 degree to 60 degree to 45 degree. The man was out here, and it took him 2 minutes to change the angle of elevation from 60 degree to 45 degree. The man is rowing away from the lighthouse, so which means he is moving this side. Am I clear? The question says, find the speed of the boat. Find the speed of the boat. Remember that the boat is out here, BOAT. The boat is out here. The angle of elevation was 60 degree, and now the angle of elevation is changed from 60 to 45 degree after 2 minutes. So which means we need to find the speed of the boat. Now what we'll do is, basically we'll find the distance. We'll find the distance BC, we'll find the distance BD, then I'll find distance CD. Okay, distance known, time known, then can I find the speed? Obviously. So very, very easy, boys. So what we'll do is, quickly I'll write in triangle ABC and ABD 60, 45. Let's use, and let's see what do we get. All right, boys, so now I know there are two right angle triangles. So using the first right angle triangle ABC, I know tan 60 degree turn permanently black. So tan 60 degree is 150 by BC. Put the value for tan 60. Tan 60 degree is root over 3, and therefore BC equals to 150 by root 3. Root 3 is 1.732. Divide it, you will be getting 86.6 meter, which is the value for BC. So the distance between B and C is how much? 86.6 meter. Similarly, let's use another right angle triangle ABD. So in ABD, it is tan 45 turn permanently black means BD. So tan 45 degrees turn 150 by BD. We know tan 45 is 1, so 1 into BD is BD, so BD equals to 150. So I got BD from here to here, and I got BC from here to here. So therefore, can I find CD? Obviously yes. Write down CD means this is equals to BD minus BC. So therefore, what is BD? BD is 150, and what is BC? BC is 86.6. So if you do this, then you will be getting 63.4 meter. CD is how much? 63.4 meter. Now boys, CD, which means this distance C to D is how much? 63.4 meter. And how much time is taking to cover from C to D? 2 minutes. So time taken is how much? Time taken to cover CD is 2 minutes. Now 2 minutes means 120 seconds. 120 seconds. So to cover CD, it takes 120 seconds. Distance between C and D is 63.4. Therefore, can I find the speed? Obviously. So speed is equals to distance over time. Okay. How much distance is traveling or covering? 63.4. CD, how much distance it is covering? 63.4 divided by how much time it is taking? 120. So meter per second. And if you calculate this 63.4 divided by 120, then we will be getting 0.53 meter per second. So hence the speed of the boat is how much? 0.53 meter per second. So I hope you're clear with this. So please pause the video and note it down. Alright boys, in the same way, please do question number 11 as homework and submit all this by tomorrow morning or tomorrow evening. Okay, and tomorrow we will be doing probability again in the live class. Alright, I hope you're clear with this. I'm doing it in details, so that's why the video is very lengthy. I want you all to do it properly, okay, and practice it. Thank you and bye bye. I'll see you tomorrow in the next one.